Good morning, students. Now we are going to start disorders, excretion disorders. Disorders of excretory system, excretion disorders. The first disorders is uremia. When urea is increased in the blood and 10 mg to 10 mg per 100 ml urea amount is increased in the blood is known as uremia. And when the excess amount of urea present in the blood is known as uremia, and due to this urea patient death, result is the patient death. And second one, gout. It is a hereditary disease in which uric acid increased in the blood and which collect in joints and kidney tissue. And third disease is kidney stones. Crystals of uric acid, oxalic acid deposit in the renal pelvis in the form of stones and create pain in diseased and obstructed passing urine. Next disease is glycosuria. Presence of sugar in the urine. Presence of sugar in urine and excretion is called glycosuria. And due to this disease, patient have the lack of insulin hormone. This disease is known as diabetes mellitus. Next disease is dysuria. Fifth disease is dysuria. In this disease, pain when we passing the urine. And polyuria, next disease is polyuria. In this disease, reabsorption of water is stopped by the nephrons and the volume of urine is increased. It is called polyuria. Next, oliguria. Urine amount less. Like this, ketonuria. Increased quantity of ketones like acetoacetic acid. Hematuria. Passing RBCs in the blood, in the urine, is known as hematuria. Albuminuria. Albumin protein quantity increased. Due to this disease, albumin protein quantity is increased. Jaundice. Excessive bile pigment. Presence of excessive bile pigment in urine is known as jaundice. Next disease is alkaptonuria. Presence of alkaptone or homogenetic acid in the urine is known as alkaptonuria. When alkaptone comes in the contact with urine and urine color change and is like black, just like a black color, and this is also called as black urine disease. Black urine disease. And next topic is hemodialysis. Hemodialysis. What is hemodialysis? When kidney stop working, then urea quantity is increased. Urea quantity is in this state is known as uremia, and artificial, and due to this condition, artificial renal device is adjust for creating out urea, expel out urea and other waste materials, and this process is known as hemodialysis. First of all, in this process, removal of blood, one main artery, and cool, then it mixed anticoagulant agent heparin, so the blood cannot coagulation. After then this mixture is sent to the artificial kidney. Artificial kidney made of Mary tubules with cellophore membrane. This membrane is impermeable for big molecules like protein and permeable for urea, uric acid and mineral salt. There is a fluid filled in the middle of these membranes. One is impermeable and second is permeable, and fluid filled in these membranes, and which is called dialysis fluid. The nitrogenous waste substance excreted from the blood from down in the dialysis fluid, and in this plasma protein is not increased, and this process the excretory material diffused out in the dialysis fluid from the blood flowing in the tubules, and blood is made free from excretory materials, and this is known as the dialysis. And this process is mainly done when the kidney is stopped working, then adopt the process of hemodialysis. And when this process is complete, blood is taken out by the artificial kidney, warmed, and anti-heparin is mixed again and sent in the vein of the body of the patient. The lifespan of a person having uremia disease can be increased, And next is kidney transplantation. Kidney transplantation. When the kidney of a diseased person stop working completely, then may be treated and kidney of a healthy person can be planted. This kidney transfer process is known as kidney transplantation. And in this process, the kidney is given to the unknown person, and kidney donor should be relative person because blood and tissue structure is nearly same both of the relatives. If the kidney is transplanted is unknown person, then the immune system of this person may be affected. Affected means diseased. And maybe new kidney is rejected. And when the new kidney is rejected, the patient may be died. Patient may die. So, the kidney transplantation process is done by the only known person. Person known to the patient, yeah, relatives of the patient, should be relative of the patients. So, this chapter is completed, and next turn we start a new topic about the next system. Thanks. Have a nice day.